Hello, Nagendra.
Hi, madam. How
How
are
are
you?
you? Good, good.
I'm good, madam. Thank you.
You are in Hyderabad.
Yes, madam. How do you know?
Oh, it was in your profile.
Okay, okay. Great.
So, what do you
Great.
do? What do you do in
Uh,
Hyderabad?
I'm a software developer by profession.
Okay. And
Yeah.
Hyderabad is your hometown?
No, like I'm working here. My hometown is like it is there in Andhra Pradesh.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
You like Hyderabad?
Yes, I like very much.
Where else have you traveled? Which other state?
Each other's like only these two states, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka and Telangana. Only these three states
Would
I
you like to
traveled.
travel to other states?
Yes, I would like to travel, but I don't have a time and yeah,
Where did you do your engineering from?
yeah, in my hometown only, near to my hometown.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
And what are your hobbies?
my hobbies are like going to gym and reading books,
Mm.
watching documentaries and web series like that.
So what books do you read generally? What is the kind of books you like?
Like personality development kind of books and entrepreneurial related books.
Entrepreneurial. Okay.
Entrepreneurial. Yeah.
So tell me some authors, some books you're reading.
Yeah, like Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Author name is Robert Kiyosaki.
Mm.
And The Secret, Rhonda Byrne, The Power of Subconscious Mind.
Yes, John Murphy.
Yeah.
Mm. And have you read the sequel of Secret?
No, I read only like one book is there. I read those
No.
one.
The sequel also of Secret is very good. It's called The Magic.
Okay.
Very good. That is all
Okay.
about gratitude.
Oh,
It's a very
okay.
good book. I really like that. See,
Okay.
sometimes one feels low, no, sometimes feel, or you know, you feel depressed at times. So just pick up that book. It's really nice.
Okay. What is that book name? Magic.
The Magic.
The Magic. Okay. The author name is same, right?
Yes,
Rhonda
yes,
Byrne.
yes.
Okay. Great. Yeah,
And
definitely I'll.
do you watch TED Talks?
Yeah, some like earlier I used to watch, but now like I'm watching Netflix series.
Which one do you like? Netflix series.
Uh, my favorite one is Money Heist.
Ah, I think all men like it.
Yes.
You're
Because of the professor. Can you
you're
hear me?
you're watching the second season.
No. Like I watched all seasons, like 5 seasons.
Oh, 5 seasons are there. Okay, okay. I
Yeah.
I have just seen one episode of first season.
Okay.
That is not my cup of tea,
Oh, yeah.
but I think it's very popular.
Yes. It is very popular on Netflix.
What else do you like? What other genre of
I like one more show came recently, Squid Game.
which one?
Squid Game. It like North South Korean related movie.
Okay.
Squid Game.
Actually, Korean movies are also very good, no?
Yes. But yeah, this show is very popular nowadays. Squid Game.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
And what do you feel about goals?
Goals. Yes, I have a lot of goals. I don't know I will achieve it or not.
Why not?
Maybe I have a like always. I'm getting a self doubt.
No, don't have doubts. You just work towards it and keep
Yes.
performing. Like in Secret, you've read the book Secret, no?
Yes. Yeah.
You keep thinking that you want that, and things will surely happen.
Yeah. Yes.
In your book,
I,
Have you been
Yeah,
able to achieve any goals?
yeah, I achieve few goals, but my list is very big. Like I have a lot to achieve in my life. Yeah,
Don't worry. Don't worry. You will
yeah,
achieve.
yeah. Yes, yes.
So what was your earlier? What did you achieve? Did you?
Yeah, what I achieved was like in my career, like whenever I in my schooling or education, like I always thought that I will get a job or not. I like that. I always have those type of doubts. Once I got the job, I got some confidence.
Mhm.
After that, like yeah, I'm learning so many technologies, and I have a plenty years of like I have 8 years of experience in software field. Like, but now I'm getting like I'm having one more goal. Like I want to start my own startup.
Mm.
Yeah, that is very big to me. Like I need to raise the fund, and I need to improve my skills, as well as like yeah, I need to gather the clients. Okay, there are lot of things I need to develop. Yeah,
So
clapping.
you are doing
Yeah.
it with someone? Plan to do it
No,
with?
no, I'm looking for initially. I'm starting for myself, and after that, if it is required, I will take a partner's help like that.
Mm. So
Yeah,
Clappingo is one of those
one
parts.
of those means yeah, one of those means like I want to like in the future I want to manage the clients and manage the people, and I need to speak confidently with them. Okay, English language is one of the language to communicate the people, the business people. So I can speak, but I want to speak in a next level.
Mm.
So this
Good,
is
but you're also, I'm happy that you're already reading and you're watching these series,
yeah.
reading the newspaper.
No, I read the newspapers on digital. I read the newspaper in digital newspaper. I read sometimes,
Mm.
but I watch news
And,
channels.
but have you started building on your vocabulary?
Yeah, like recently I started working on British Council. I started giving some exercises, grammar exercises like that.
And also vocabulary building is very important, no? Like you, when you're reading books, if you come across any difficult word, then you should note them down.
Yes, yes. I need to work on that one actually.
Yeah, that is important.
Yeah.
Reading really, really helps.
Yes, yes.
I think that is one of the most important parts when you want to learn a language.
Yes, yes. Like
Mm.
what happens when like I have some issue with the reading. Like suppose I want to start any book. Like suppose I read 50 pages or 60 pages, and the book total numbers was like around 400 pages were there. Like I completed 50 pages or 60 pages, and I left that. But I don't have interest to read again, like uh, like that. Sometimes most of the books I read say 60 pages, 70 pages, and left that.
Mm.
Not completed the books properly.
That is a very, very common problem actually these days.
Yeah,
It is happening with me also. Earlier, I used to read so much, but
yeah.
now, same here. But
Yeah,
but then, if we want to really upgrade our skills, we have to,
yeah. We have to complete and we have to
yeah,
read. Yeah,
and a little more like just give 15-20 minutes at least of reading every day.
yeah,
Do write down also. Sometimes, it's good to write down your feelings or an interesting event, any pleasant memories. So write
yes.
them down.
Okay.
And
Sure.
any short-term goals you have? That is a
Short.
long-term goal, starting a startup.
Yeah, short-term goal is I want to create some YouTube channel and yeah, I want to give classes to the actually I'm looking for technology related channel. Okay, initially start one YouTube channel and create a videos related to my technology, and I want to upload in that in my channel. Okay, yeah, that is my short term goal. Like I want to create around 50 or 100 videos like that, and I want to upload in my channel.
And what do you feel that parents should help the child set goals, or children should themselves?
Yeah, actually, my parents don't know what I'm doing. Like, they are farmers. They don't know anything about education.
Okay.
Yeah, like I'm in Hyderabad city. Like I also bring along with me my parents also. They are also staying with me. Yeah, whatever I said to them, they convinced for that one. Like they know what I'm capable of doing things. They know about. They are very confident about myself.
They are really
So
confident about their son.
yes, yes.
So they are
So
not doing farming anymore.
yeah, no, no, nowadays farming also it's very difficult. Yeah, it's very difficult.
What were they?
Yeah, paddy. They're farming paddy.
Mhm. So,
Yeah.
what do you think? Since there were farmers, do you think these laws which came, they were good?
Sorry, can you please repeat again?
Laws which the government came up with, were they good laws?
Yeah, but no, sometimes it is not good. Sometimes they are yeah, some laws are not good. Government need to rethink about the laws related to farmers.
Now they've repealed the farm laws.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So you also feel they were not good.
I think yes, some laws are good. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And any person in your family who has been able to achieve goals?
Yeah, in my family, yeah, a lot of members were there, success people. Yeah, one of my brother-in-law is there. Yeah, he went to US and he achieved a lot in his career.
What is he also in software?
Yes, yes, he is also in software. I think 20 years back he went to US and settled there. Yeah, he settled now in he's there in a well position.
Your that is your sister's husband.
No, no. My aunt's son, my father sister's son.
Okay. Your cousin.
Yes, yes, cousin.
You don't want to go abroad.
I want to go abroad, but I need to get the opportunity, right opportunity, right? But before that, I'm looking for doing entrepreneurship in here only in India only.
You want
Start
to,
my own startup and yeah.
yeah. Yes. Why not in India only? You can be
Yeah.
an entrepreneur in India only.
Yes, yes.
We feel that everything is really good outside India, but it's all about.
No. Yes, yes. In abroad also, like going to abroad and there in the initial careers, they are struggling a lot in there also. Yeah. We think NRI life is very fair, like very good, but initial days they are very struggle, like they're
Yes,
struggling a lot.
yes. When I was growing up, I used to think, in America, everyone will be so happy, no worries.
Yeah.
But then I realized, I went there a couple of times, that everyone has problems. It's
Yes, yes.
only sitting in India, we think, everything is hunky dory there. But no, that is not the issue. They have
Yes,
so
yes,
much of, so many people are, they feel lonely,
yes, yes,
alone.
yes,
A lot of problem. Depression is very common there.
yes, yes.
Hmm. Yeah, that is there. Any person in our country whom you admire for achieving goals?
In our country, yeah, I admire Swami Vivekananda a lot.
Mhm. Do you read his books?
I read some of his books.
Mhm.
Yeah,
What is one thing that you really feel inspired with?
about Swami Vivekananda. Yeah, like uh, whenever like the first step, like he went to US like without having single penny in his pocket. Okay, some person shelter him and she gave him shelter and then gave some few days of shelter, and after that, yeah, he got in like Visva Mahasabha. I don't know what to call in English. Uh, he got a permission to join in that session, and after that he gave a speech.
Mm.
Once, yeah, one day, like first day, like everyone shocked. Like once he started speech with starting with dear brothers and sisters in America.
Mm.
That sentence, like yeah, that sentence changed a lot. Like after I give a speech for that sentence, like 5 minutes entire like entire hall was filled with claps.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, all the people are like
Loud
praising,
applause, loud applause for him.
loud applause for him. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yes, like he gave a good speech there, and still that hall is named with his name only, and that street also
Named
named
after him.
named up after him only.
Mm. Chicago, no?
Yeah, yeah, Chicago, I think.
Yeah. And anyone in the present, current times whom you admire, who's really been an achiever in sports or politics or Bollywood or
Yeah, in army, I admire like that person. Like
who
I
just
forgot
passed
his.
away,
Sorry.
who's passed away, CDS Rawat.
No, 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 that not that one. Like earlier, like one person like felt in Pakistan borders, and they hit him. Like I forgot his name. Mm,
That last year, the one who,
yeah, yeah, lost racket in the Pakistan, and they caught him, and yeah, I
yeah,
forgot his name.
yeah, even I'm forgetting. Yes, yes, Air Force guy.
Yeah, Air Force. Yes, yes. I think I
Yes, yes.
forgot his name. Yeah,
He
yeah.
was, he was awarded also this year, no? Mm.
Oh, for what? Yeah, yeah.
For his bravery. Yeah.
Ah, yeah, yes, yes, yes.
Mm.
I admire him a lot. When his critical condition also, he love his country, and he eats some secret papers. And
Yeah.
yeah, I admire him a lot.
Mm.
In recent times,
And in politics, do you admire anyone?
in politics, I like Narendra Modi vision. Like he is very visionary leader.
Yeah. Hardworking.
Yes, yes, very hardworking. In like 70 years of age also, is working very hard for our country. Yeah, that is very inspiring.
Yes, yes. Uh, 2 days back, he went to that Kashi and he took a bath. Imagine winters and taking
Yeah,
a
yeah,
dip at that
yes,
age.
yes,
Hmm.
yeah, yeah,
He's got a lot of spiritual strength.
yes, yes.
That is there. Yeah. And What about your besides your brother, anyone else whom you really admire, who's been an achiever in life?
I already told you, like in my family, like my cousin is there. I admire him a lot. Yeah.
So, what are some good habits that you feel really helped him achieve?
Like he is really good person. He is very helpful nature. He's
Hmm.
having very helpful nature. Yeah, he helped me a lot. Yeah.
The one who went to USA?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. And do you also have personal goals regarding your health, your fitness?
Yeah, recently, like since like past 1 month, I am going to gym also. I started going to gym.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And do you also do jogging, walking?
Yeah, I'm going to gym. Like in there, like I do cycling, treadmill. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
all the machinery is there.
So you like going to the gym? I find
Yes,
it
yes, yes.
I find it boring actually. I like to walk or I do
Okay,
yoga at home.
okay, okay.
And are you particular about your diet?
Yes, yes, I'm very particular about my diet.
Hmm. You like spicy food, no? I think Andhra people, Telangana people like very spicy food.
Yes, yes.
You
Yes,
also
we
like spicy food,
yeah, yeah, we like for spice food a lot.
your biryanis and all.
Yes, yes, Hyderabadi biryani is very famous
Yes,
here.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
Do you also cook?
A few items I can, but I can cook rice and I can make omelette, egg omelette. I can make noodles.
Yeah.
I
Hmm.
can make, yeah, few items I can cook, but yeah.
It's okay. One should know a little bit of cooking at least.
Yes, yes, but I can survive without anyone also. I can survive.
Yeah, yeah. That is very important because eating is so like food is so basic. Everyone should know a little bit, at
Yes, yes,
least a little bit.
yes, yes, little bit I know.
Yeah, yeah. So how's the weather in Hyderabad these days?
Yeah, it's like yeah, it's normal. Yeah, it's a winter, right? It's very cold here.
It is cool.
Yes, yes, but it's normal.
It's
We
pleasant.
can.
It's
Yeah,
pleasant.
it's pleasant.
You don't have to wear a sweater.
No, not require. I can manage. I can. I can bear this cold.
So what do you plan? Do you have it in your goal list to go to some other country for a holiday or to do work?
Yeah, I have those goals also, but yeah, like nowadays I'm so much confusing. Like I have to go to abroad or I have to start my own startup. Like I want to move to MNC. So many thoughts are coming, running in my mind.
Hmm.
But
But right now you're happy with your job.
yes, I'm doing my job. But there are in the future, like, I don't know what happened. Maybe something going to be happen bigger loss. I don't know, but something is going to be happen big.
Mhm. Right. I've I personally feel these affirmations really help, you know. If you want to
Yes.
be an entrepreneur, you be specific what field
Hmm,
you want
yeah.
to be in. You
Yes. Yes.
start doing affirmations, definitely, you know, you will be able to achieve.
Yes. Yes.
And goals are very important. Unless we set goals, we don't know which direction we have to go.
Yes. Yes. That's why,
Hmm.
like, yeah.
Do you have siblings?
I have a sister.
She's
She,
older to you?
sorry.
Is she older or younger to
Yeah.
you?
Yeah. She's older to me.
So married.
Yeah. She got married.
Is she working also?
No. No. She's a homemaker.
Okay. So you are not married.
I'm married.
Your wife is a homemaker or
Yes, yeah, my wife is a homemaker.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. And what else you like to watch web series?
Yes.
Uh, yeah. And what else do you, are you a very friendly person? Do you have a lot of friends?
No, I don't have a lot of friends. I have a few friends, but they are very really good.
Genuine friends.
Yeah, genuine friends. I have a few friends, only limited friends.
Yeah. It's very important to have genuine friends.
Yes, yes. I have a genuine friends.
Yeah, yeah. And this is your, are you enjoying Clippingo? How many sessions have you had?
I think this is the sixth session.
Okay. So are you happy that you joined Clippingo?
Yes, yes, I am very much happy.
Mm.
I'm meeting with the different tutors, and they are really very helpful.
Mm. And as it is, Nagendra, because of pandemic, we are hardly meeting anyone. So it's good to
Yeah.
be in touch with people.
Yes, yes. That is nice.
Yeah, yeah. Because I think we've all got used to staying at home only now.
Yes, yes.
Where I am staying, we were having this farmers sitting. I'm on the Delhi border.
Okay, okay.
Today the borders have opened.
Yes, yes.
We're feeling very happy.
Okay, okay.
Not that we go every day to Delhi, but at least now we don't have to think of alternate routes.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that is there. And do you also watch a lot of films?
Not lot of films. A few films I'm watching.
Who's your favorite Bollywood hero?
Bollywood, yeah. Shah Rukh Khan and Hrithik Roshan.
Hrithik Roshan. Okay.
Hi, Hrithik Roshan.
Okay. And among heroines, actresses?
Actress like earlier, I like Aishwarya Rai.
Hmm.
But now, yeah, so many actors were there.
Yeah, yeah.
But my all-time favorite was Aishwarya Rai.
Oh, okay, all right. And what else you would like to discuss?
I think, yeah, we discussed a plenty. We discussed a lot with a few minutes of time. Yes,
Yes,
this is
yes,
very nice.
yes. So you continue reading, reading, reading. That is the first most important thing.
Yes, yes.